What's up my Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, YouTube marketing, a complete guide for creating promotion, optimization your video content. Lex it talks your YouTube create change in support Western after watching only still get video after others. YouTube has always been source recommendation content are also marketing claims it estimate tools marketers in fact more half and all marketed 55% of using YouTube parts of their marketing strategy. You may thing is the great but audience is YouTube will tax once creation of internet user speed 10 hours or more watching videos and YouTube has more its 2 billion active user worldwide. The platform is exchange that's accepted in 76 different language still not convicted free template how to use YouTube business download now YouTube reach 15-80% hours video upload every minute use YouTube in 2020 59% of active profiles watching video read text. Not only your audience YouTube but internet second launch search engine YouTube can help improvement your SEO and our brand presence. A YouTube allow marketing to prestige unique content that's easy for viewers, customer and share. YouTube marketing by improvement tools, brand and strategy SEO with the most resource from media video. We create this complaint guide. YouTube pros recommended Ali Peck before walks target each step marketing YouTube, how to create YouTube channel optimization, video SEO, how to run YouTube advertising campaign and interpret video analytics, read aloud, bookmarks it later, jumps to selection interest your most. First, how to create a YouTube channel, how to create video for YouTube, how to promote your YouTube channel, understanding YouTube analytics, your software, your marketing tips, how to create a YouTube channel. So you are direct create a YouTube channel. Great, now your I need YouTube marketing strategy to help your edify goal by decade on video topics and properly promote your brand and your new channel. Before we define improvement to notes, making YouTube channel task lost time and plugging are you ready for it. Unlike other social media platform, YouTube access host video content you are needed to set ideas, stamp, plan, filmmaker, edit, marketing, and analyze YouTube content. A costed business also needed define your brand goals and plan for how to video. Special help there's a amount of time strategy to platform you are available create sharing content your grow audience. Create a Google account before you start filming videos content you are needed step YouTube channel because YouTube award by Google will sign up and for Google Gmail account it automatically grant YouTube Google Plus and much more. depending on YouTube business. When not went to email business, YouTube channel is needed. Access your YouTube team members. Partner with Instagram, create email account with multiple people. Step 1, Google. Visit your Google Clinic, sign up, right handers counter. Step 2, click on create the button page. Step 3, your seen option pop up to create account useful and manage business. Send YouTube will be business, choose and manage business. Step 4, official create account, interest name and designation, email, password before clicking next, interest recovery and birthday grant, phone number. Note: Google required all user be less 3 years old. Step 5, let's agree to Google privacy policy and terms. Verify your account with a code. Send a visa text, phone call. Congrats, you are with prompt. Honor your Google account. Create YouTube account. Now that have account, you are almost ready. Publisher always some video content, but very not quick yet need supported YouTube brand account. A brand account allow access user, manage editing permission and create more hoster online purchase. Step 1, visit YouTube April, right hands contract and that properly already login into Google account. You are not click sign in and enter email, new email account, username and password. Step 2, once of sign in, click account models and click YouTube channel and drop down menu. Step 3, see option for creating your YouTube channel. Choose US and customer number. Choose your create channel. Use for name. Create a channel using name pictures on your Google accounts. Use customer name. Create channel using brand other name and pictures. Step 4, now should prompted create YouTube channel name. Note: you can always update changing your channel name and your account setting. Pronouns vary and affect 100% sure about selected labels. Almany customizing YouTube brand account. Step 1, click customize channel, get started. Step 2, add channel profile pictures and channel arts. This will be first parts YouTube account that user visiting. Source image, your easy requisition, costed hours brand. Step 3, top edit profile pictures. Click define profile picture and approve left hand counter. Your channel upload an image. Note: at many task service means YouTube channel icon April up to updating. Step 4, next update your banner image and video marketer. After have customized visitor interest channel, click basic info, add channel description, a company email and links, company website and other social platform. With the business profile complete, it is time and added few finishing touch before you are more you should customize with YouTube channel looks. Subscribe and unsubscribe visitor, the main unsubscribed viewers world, see defense future content viewers property cool right. Once of the ways can advance this feature by adding channel title and people subscribed and audience future video recommended subscribe audience title video share some process following step before to both pro tips you are when to record defense video in plan heads spent content tag audience. Step 1 start your update your first video YouTube content the menu left hand side there click update. Step 2 select video files your computer and a word like April title and people you subscribe your channel. Step 3 following your promote and scene customize your publisher your videos. Note that your first HB publisher is time a title. Subscribe when to visit channel. Step 4 hacked back your channel customer not sold this video and upload the screen now. Step 5 select your ad channel title and people subscribed. Step 6 select your update title and library your video update upload. Step 7 click your purchase share and title subscribers. Setting permission your YouTube brand account before you are starting YouTube marketing plan should increase teams and needed access account getting members to help manager later Google account when to get access. These rules our owner full editing power and complaint Google's they can edit remove manager edit business information response reviewers and more manager has been some editor owner expert code add remove page rules and list in any editing your YouTube channel must manager and owner communication manager reported reverse and resolver other action the content YouTube manager update analyze. Step 1 it individuals your account tips accounts and approval right constant. Step 2 select remote manager select permissions. Step 4 select the people icon the upright brand cover enter new user to get permission enter your Gmail address increase the rules how to create a second YouTube channel looking create other Gmail channels from account good news YouTube latest channel personal video your starting second brand under business interest and will process how to. Step go to your profile picture settings. Step 2 click add manager channels. Step 3 select a create channel. Step 4 enter your brand account name and new channel select creation. YouTube brand guidelines YouTube